Good morning, dear children. Now we are going to learn about that exercise 1.1, sixth question, first subdivision. Clear? Okay. See the questions. Let A is equal x belongs to W such that x is less than 2, comma, and then B set. B set is equal x belongs to n such that this line is represent such that, and 1 is less than x less than or equal to 4, and then C set is equal to 3 comma 5, and then which one we want to find out? Verify that A cross B union C. How to read? Listen this. A cross B union C is equal A cross B union A cross C. Here, this is we want to find out now. And then they given the set. A set is equal some rules. This is the form of set builder form. This is the form of set builder form. Already you have studied set builder form. So if we want to write which one? Roster form. We want to write the answer is first of all roster form. A set given this set builder form. So you want to write A set is equal to what is the element in the roster form. Okay. A set வந்து set builder form ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. First we want to write the answer for A set is the roster form. And then B set also given the set builder form. Clear? So okay. And then how to write the answer in the solution? First we want to write the A set element. Okay. X belongs to W. W means, what is the meaning? W means whole number. W means whole number. Whole number start with 0. Okay. So you have to start right 0 and then 1, 2 up to is going on. Where we stopped? They given the condition x less than 2. Less than, suppose x is less than or equal to 2 means we have to take that 2 also. We have to take the number 2 also. They given x is less than 2. Less than 2 means we doesn't take 2. Clear yours? So what is the element? 0, 1, 2. 2 are take or not? Not take. Okay. Because they given x less than 2. If they given equal to means we also take 2. Clear here? Equal to irundha 2 எடுத்துக்கணும். Equal to இல்ல அப்படினா leave it that element. Can you clear? Yes. Next we want to write B set. B set elements. B set is equal. What is that? How to write? You have to see that rule. Set builder form. X belongs to n. N means natural number. N means natural number. Natural number start with 1. So first you have to write 1. So B set elements first we have to write natural number means start with n. Natural number means start with n up to they given the condition 4. So you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to decide 1 we have to take or not. If that symbol equal symbol have means you have to take 1. There is a no equal symbol, so you don't take 1. Clear here? If they given the equal symbol is having means you have to write 1. If the equal symbol is having means இங்க equal அப்படி இருந்தா 1 எடுத்துக்கலாம். The equal இல்ல, so you don't take 1. So and then here 4 take or not? They given the symbol equal, less than or equal 4. So they given equal symbol. So you have to take 4. Clear here? So what is the element of B set? 2, 3, 4. And then next is C set. C set they given the directly that roster from elements 3, 5. Okay. So what is the element? C is equal to 3, 5. Okay. Now we are going to prove that A cross B union C. What is we have to prove? To prove A cross B union C is equal A cross B union A cross C. Clear? Okay. You know very well. First we have to take left hand side. What is the left hand side? A cross So first you have to write left hand side. A cross B union C. First we have to prove the left hand side. Okay. Okay. Now in that function, which one we want to prove first? Bracket inside that function. Inside the bracket function. What is given? B union C. First you have to prove B union C is equal B union C. B union C. B union C is equal. You have to write B set of element. What is the B set element? 2, 3, 4. B set element. What is the B set element? 2, 3, 4. We want to find out now. No. And then what is the symbol here? Union. So you have to put the union symbol. Is having union symbol, so you have to write union symbol. And then C set element. What is the C set element? They given 3, 5. They given 3, 5. Okay. Next, union. Union means union represent collect all the elements. Union means collect all the elements. எல்லா எலிமெண்ட்டையும் join பண்ணோம்னா that is called union. Okay, collect all the elements. Okay, join and write. So first you have to write 2 and then 3 and then 4 and then join and write. 2 is 2 times having. Repeated elements write only one time. 2 is 2 set having. Repeated element you have to write only one time is enough. No need to write again 3. Okay, and then which one write? 5. The two set of elements you join பண்ணியதுன்னா that is called union. So now we have finished B union C. Next, see that left hand side function. B union C is finished. Now we have finished B union C is equal 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what is our aim? Left hand side to prove. Which one? A cross B union C. Okay. So you have write A cross B union C. Okay. So you write the element. A set element. What is the A set element? We have to find 0, 1. Okay. So you have to write 0, 1 for the A set elements. And then what is the symbol here? Cross product. Cross product. And then B union C. They given the element B union C? No. We had find B union C element. What is the element? 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear, yours? Okay. Next. If the union symbol given means you have write join and write the elements as collect and write the elements. They given cross product symbol given means you write order pair. Likewise, order pair. Okay, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Likewise, this is the order pair. This is the order pair. So you have write 0, 2, and then 0, 3, and then 0, 4, and then 0, 5. Likewise, this is the order pair. And then likewise 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and then 1, 5. This method is order pair. Okay. Finally, we write A cross B union C. Okay. A cross B union C. We had find A cross B union C. Next, what is our aim? The aim is A cross B union C is equal A cross B union A cross C. Now we had find the left hand side alone. And then next to prove right hand side. Okay. What is the right hand side? Next to prove right hand side. What is right hand side? A cross B union A cross C. Okay. Okay. This is right hand side. In this, which one we want to prove first? Bracket inside function. that you think that the 2 is having no bracket inside. Which one is we want to first to finish it? ரெண்டு பிராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ள இருக்கு. ரெண்டு செட் ஆஃப் எலமெண்ட் பிராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ள இருக்கும்போது இதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணுமா இதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணுமா? we have think that okay at that time which is our aim. This is our aim. First இதை வேணாலும் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணலாம் இல்லை இதை வேணாலும் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணலாம். This is our aim. Okay, first I take it first bracket function. Okay, first bracket function is a cross b. A cross b. So next we want to write a set of element, b set of element and take the order pair. Cross symbol giving means order pair. Already I told you no. Okay, first you have to write a set element. What is the a set element? See the given question 0, 1. 0, 1 is the a set element. So you have write 0, 1. This is a set element. And what is the symbol? Cross product symbol is given. And then what is that b set element? B set element is 2, 3, 4. B set element is 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Next, what we have to do? Cross product. So you write order pair. Order pair 0, what is that? 0, 2 and then 0, 3 and then 0, 4. Next, likewise 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Clear here? 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. This is that order pair. Okay. Which one? A cross B only. Our aim is finished? No. Our aim is right hand side aim is A cross B union A cross B. Now we only finished A cross B. Next we want to prove A cross C. So you have to write A cross C. A cross C element. What is the A set element? Here write it no. What is that? 0, 1. And then what is the symbol? What is the operation? Cross symbol. Cross product. And the C set element. They are given the question C set element 3, 5. So you have to write the element only we have to write now. Next, the cross product symbol here no. So you have to take the order pair. Cross product given means order pair. Okay. So you write the answer. What is that? 0, 3 and then 0, 5. Next 1, 3, 1, 5. This is the order pair. Order pair for which one? A cross C. Okay. Our aim is complete? No. In right hand side, the A cross B is finished and A cross C is finished. And which is remaining? Union symbol. So next to prove A cross B union A cross C. Already I told you no children. Union means collect and write all the elements. Union represent all the elements right. Collect and write all the elements. So you have to write A cross B elements and then A cross C elements. Join and write. So we have write A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C. A cross B. Okay, A cross B union A cross C is equal to. You have write A cross B answer and A cross C answer and join and write. Union means join and write. You have write all the elements of A cross B and A cross C. Okay dears? Okay. Next, compare 1 and 2. You compare left hand side answer and the right hand side answer. You have to compare left hand side answer and the right hand side answer. Compare 1 and 2. Right? Compare from 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. Compare means both are equal. 0, 2, 0, 2. 0, 3 and then 0, 3. And here 0, 4, that equation also 0, 4. Likewise all the elements equal from 1 and 2. Clear here? So what is our aim? A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. the left hand side and right hand side equal means the given condition verified. They asked the question, verify this condition. So we had find A cross B answer and left hand side answer and right hand side answer. Both are equal. So what is right now? Therefore, left hand side is equal right hand side. So the given condition is verified. So finally you had right cancel. Hence verified. Hence verified.